चलो, तो है फ्रेंड्स, अभी हम लोग जशन एग्जीबिशन में हैं और मेरे लेफ़्ट में है राज चहर जी। ही इज़ स्टाइलिस्ट एंड डायरेक्टर, डिज़ाइनर, जितने वर्ड्स कहें कम है इनके लिए, हमारे भाई हैं बड़े। और राइट में है संचित विरमानी जी, और मैं हूँ रजत राज मल्होत्रा, डायरेक्टर एट द रेट F3 इवेंट्स, रजत राज फिल्म प्रोडक्शंस एंड रजत राज रियल एस्टेट। और आज हमारे साथ है संचित जी, ये अपने बारे में बताएंगे, अपने डिज़ाइंस के बारे में बताएंगे। काफ़ी अच्छी कलेक्शन है इनकी, और जो भी डिटेल्स हैं आप बताइए अब मीडिया को।
नहीं, मैं संचित, मेरा स्टोर है शाहपुर जट में। मैं बेसिकली मेंस कलेक्शन पे काम करता हूँ ज़्यादा। ये मेरे सारे अभी यहाँ पे कलेक्शन जो मैंने आज लगाया है, सारे एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड और सेमी एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड कुर्ते हैं। देन वी हैव बंडीज़ है और कुछ एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड शर्ट्स हैं मेरे यहाँ पे।
सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, अभी हम पार्क इन बाय रेडिसन होटल में हैं लाजपत नगर में, और अभी मेरे साथ हैं बहुत ही अपकमिंग डिज़ाइनर्स। इनके डिज़ाइंस आप दिखाइए, बहुत ही यूनिक और बहुत अच्छे डिज़ाइंस हैं। और मैं हूँ रजत राज मल्होत्रा, F3 इवेंट्स और प्रोडक्शंस, और मेरे राइट लेफ्ट में हैं अपकमिंग डिज़ाइनर्स। अब आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए।
Hello everybody, I'm Jasleen
I'm Gurdeep.
and we have just come out with this label of ours. This is called Sarab Kala. Thank you Rajat for appreciating. Thank you Mr. Sharma for being here, and hopefully you keep on motivating us and be there, you know, whenever you're organizing, and just let us know and keep on updating us. Thank you.
सो हाय फ्रेंड, वी आर एट पार्क इन होटल एट लाजपत नगर, और जशन का एग्जीबिशन चल रहा है यहाँ पे। और मेरे राइट में अपकमिंग डिज़ाइनर, इनकी काफ़ी अच्छी कलेक्शन है और नाम है लव फॉर क्लोथिंग बाय NS.
Yes.
तो इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मीडिया।
Yes. Yeah, hello. So I am Neha Sachdeva this side. The name of my label is Love for Clothing by NS. So as the name suggests, it's love for clothing. So this is my passion. Clothing is my passion. We do all different textiles, all garments. We have linens, we have cottons, we have cord sets. We are into customized collection also. So as you see, आप मेरे पीछे देखेंगे, we have beautiful. So ये ब्यूटीफुल शिनॉन, ओरिजिनल प्योर शिनॉन के पीसेस हैं जिस पे हमने पैच वर्क डिटेलिंग कर रखी है टू गिव मोर ग्लैम लुक. This is one article. We have different colors in this, and see, this is linen article which we are selling, and good quality linen, very very authentic quality linen. So this is one pattern. These are foil works which we are doing, and we are also into customization. So if you can just see here, these are all our designs, customized designs. So this is something for your wedding. This is something which is daily wear. So Love for Clothing by NS is one brand that will offer you everything in one go. Customize भी कर सकते हैं हम आपके लिए, हमारे डिज़ाइंस पहनिए, आपका कुछ स्पेशलाइज्ड ओकेजन है, कुछ कलेक्शन है, we are ready to give it to you. Thank you.
सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, वी आर हेयर एट द एग्जीबिशन, जशन एग्जीबिशन, और मेरे साथ है ऑन माई लेफ्ट, शी इज़ रिचा एंड शी इज़ अ डिज़ाइनर। कुछ बताइए अपनी कलेक्शन के बारे में।
So ours is a very recently launched brand. We have pieces. Every piece tells a story. Like we turn story into wearable pieces, and our designs are very exclusive and for people who like to wear bold designs and want to stand out of the crowd.
Are exclusive. You'll not find them anywhere, and you can just put your soul into clothes and wear them and stand out. Thank you.
Introduce yourself, your name, what you do basically, and you are here.
So my name is Barnath, and this is my brand. We have just started 3 months ago. It's a in-home brand. We'll soon launch the store, and our basic key is so that you wear your soul and your design on your t-shirt and stand out the crowd. Thank you.
सो हाय फ्रेंड, वी आर एट जशन एग्जीबिशन, और मेरे साथ है सिमर कौर, शी इज़ द डिज़ाइनर, और कुछ अपने डिज़ाइंस के बारे में बताइए।
Hi, I'm the owner of Shukrana Couture, as you can see. So my basically, thinking of keeping this name Shukrana was to give gratitude to Guruji for bringing me here, because I was 13 when I started designing, and now I'm 23 and I just started my business 2 months ago. I hope this does well. We have all the suits, squad sets, ethnic wear, everything you ask for. We're actually catering to 3XL sizes also, and I don't want to keep my business limited to small, medium, large. I want to grow it big, because not everybody has the same size, and I don't want everybody to feel bad about not having that size. So I just want to cater to everyone, to 3XL to 6XL, all the sizes.
I'm Ananya. I'm a cosmetologist. So we have 8 branches across Delhi. Also, we opened a new branch in Hyderabad by the name Perfect 5 Clinic. So this vision was my mom's because she's been in this industry since last 29 years. She's my backhand, of course. So I've learned everything from her. It's a quite interesting business to be in, and I'm also an influencer. But for now, focusing more on cosmetology.
And
That's
say
it.
something about me also. Rajat.
Looking to work with you in future.
Definitely.
Yes, that's it. Thank
Cut.
you.
चलो तो है फ्रेंड्स, मेरे साथ है अभी गुनिका भल्ला। इनकी अमेजिंग डिज़ाइंस है, यूनिक कलेक्शन है और बहुत ही क्रिएटिव माइंड है इनका, तभी आप देख सकते हैं इतनी अच्छी कलेक्शन है। अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए गुनिका।
Hi, so I'm Gunika Bhalla. So I have a store in शाहपुर जाट। हम यहाँ पर हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड ब्लेजर्स बनाते हैं और इंडो वेस्टर्न हमने अभी रिसेंटली लॉन्च करा है। सो हमारे पास यहाँ पर ये सूट्स हैं। सो दीज आर विद फर्शी सलवार्स and with scalping of dupattas, and we have Indo Western collection recently launched here at Jashan. Yes, thank you so much Rajat Malhotra for having me here.
थैंक यू। ठीक है, अपने बारे में बता। तो है फ्रेंड्स, ऑन माई लेफ्ट शी इज़ सुहानी। शी इज़ कम हेयर फॉर दिस एग्जीबिशन ऑल द वे फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़, और इनका ब्रांड है नीडल थ्रेड। कुछ बताइए अपने ब्रांड के बारे में।
So we are promoting Punjabi juttis, which is basically a very good culture, traditional Punjabi juttis, handwork, and you can get it customized also in any color, any design. You can send us your pictures and we can get it customized also.
वेरी क्रिएटिव वर्क शी इज़ डूइंग और बहुत ही अच्छा काम करती हैं। आप डिज़ाइन भेजिए, उसी डिज़ाइन के अकॉर्डिंग ये आपका प्रोडक्ट बना देंगी। तो अमेजिंग आर्ट शी इज़ हैविंग, और यू मस्ट DM हर।
And we can do it for the kids also. Mother-daughter duo.
वेरी सो हाय फ्रेंड, मेरे साथ अभी हैं जॉली जी, और इनका जैसे नेम है वैसे इनकी नेचर है।
Yes.
और शी इज़ वेरी टैलेंटेड, वेरी क्रिएटिव। कुछ बताइए अपने बिजनेस के बारे में।
Yeah, now JG Blossoms, as you see at my back, you know, this has been my baby. I just started, you know, at home. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बनाकर लोगों को गिफ्ट करा. It was appreciated very well. So उन्होंने बोला कि जी आप शुरू क्यों नहीं करते हो अपना काम. And that was the birth of JG Blossoms, you know. So, and the products that you see behind me, they are all totally my creation. Totally, I made them all myself, handmade, with zero input from anyone. Zero input. Whatever I made, they are my ideas. I procured everything. हर चीज़ के लिए मैं ही भागी हूँ, मैं ही गई हूँ, मैंने ही बनाया है. So through and through, JG Blossoms has been my baby. Thank you जी, thank you so much.
So hi friends, with me is Yashika Goyal, and she is coming up with a unique concept, Cuddle Comfy, and it's all about kids' comfort. And you explain more about your concept.
Yeah. So Cuddle Comfy suggests the name. It's like all about my kids furnishing products. So I am covering all kid products. Like I can show my categories. So here are my bed sheets. These are my quilts, dohers. We are doing swaddles. We are doing towels, hankies, bibs, everything related to the kids product basically, and it is 100% cotton we are doing, and main thing is it's like all manufacturing we are doing in our in-house.
Thank you. Anand. So hi friends, Hina Anand with me, and she is displaying her beautiful collection. कुछ अपने collection के बारे में बताइए.
Hi, my collection is totally inspired from my mother's collection. It is very beautiful. You can just have a look at this beautiful collection, and it is very cost effective. You can find everything at such cost, unbeatable cost I would say, and it's very girly collection.
और इनकी जो इंस्पिरेशन है इस डिज़ाइंस के पीछे इनकी मदर है। कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी आप?
बिटिया ही बोलेगी जो बोलेगी.
You can just have a look at the collection.
Done. Cut. So hi friends, Himanshi Nagpal with me and she is displaying her beautiful collection over here at the Jashan collection in Park Inn by Radisson. कुछ अपने डिज़ाइंस के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Hi, we are the Tanira. We are just a startup as of now. We started like 2 months back. My brand name is Da Tanira. We actually focus a lot more on breezy silhouettes, but that gives like very comfortable breezy look to you. But at the same time, they're very stylish and like outgoing outfits. So our main motive is to build outfits that you can wear at home or like the breezy evening outings where you feel really comfortable but stylish at the same time. And thank you so much. I just forgot your name. Thank you so much, Rajat Raj Malhotra, for this opportunity. And we're really happy with the response. It was great.
Thank you.
और हमारे ब्रांड का नाम है बीड्स एंड थ्रेड्स और ये हमारे लखनवी मल चंदेरी के सूट्स हैं जो कि हाथ के बने हुए हैं और इनमें कोई मतलब कारीगर इनको बनाते हैं कितने कितने दिनों में और तब हमारे पास आते हैं। तो ये हाथ का काम हम लखनऊ से ही सारे डायरेक्ट इनको मंगाते हैं और सेल करते हैं।
हेलो, my name is Jayanti Dhawan. My brand name is Loka Dry Fruits, and Loka Dry Fruits deals in basically flavored dry fruits, flavored and roasted. This is mainly we have 12 flavors now, but after that we are bringing more flavors to customers and audience. And we basically deals in pan kishmish, Punjabi tadkas and masala cashews, and that's it. Thank you.
मैडम ऊपर करो।
ये हमारे मल चंदेरी के सेमी सूट्स हैं।
आप दोबारा बस ठीक है, वो क्लब हो जाएगा।
Good name? You're from Delhi University?
Start. Hello, I am Yosha from Shriram College of Commerce.
And I'm Suhas from Shriram College of Commerce.
I'm Yash.
So we are a part of an organization called Enactus. It's an international organization that has opened a chapter in our college. So Enactus undertakes social entrepreneurship projects. So one of our projects is called Virasat.
So under Project Virasat, we try to help and revive the languishing art forms of India, where we provide artisans with demand channels, market avenues, and overall list them on social platforms and online listings. So these are our products. We currently have two art. One is Gaurahari Stonework from Mahoba, Uttar Pradesh, and the other is Tamta from Uttarakhand.
So हम क्या करते हैं basically is we connect to these artisans. जैसे most of our artisans are based in Agra and Mahoba. We connect with them and we get the products here to Delhi and we retail them. What we've also done is posted them on social media. We have posted their products on our websites as well. For example, यहाँ पर ये product है. It's a Gaurahari vase. So this is all carved out from one single stone. So this is one of our products. Some of our other products are these coasters are one of our most popular selling items. You can see here we have peacocks drawn all over it. We have elephant coasters as well. So this is what Enactus SRCC does, and this is what Project Virasat is all about.
Hi everybody, this is Priyanka. We are here with multiple cord sets, everyday fashion. That's our brand Luxura Fashion. And we have multiple designs from short cord sets to long cord sets. This is a very elegant piece with a matching pant and it has a pocket as well. We have cotton, we have rayon, we have multiple options and multiple colors. The sizes range from medium to XXL. You can follow us on Instagram, which is Luxura Fashion Everyday. Thank you. Happy shopping.